Hi everyone. Um, The sun is out today, which is lovely, but now we've got some shadow here, and I wanted to show you something about these succulents here. So this is my nice Aloe It seems to like growing here, but I don't want it here. But anyway, it can stay here for now. And in between these, I wanted to show you. This is my candle succulent. Senecio. That's also another Senecio. I'm letting it grow tall here. Got it planted all over in the garden, just to make many plants of it. And again, I like how it's so tall. And this also I want to plant in the front yard once we do up the yard. I had a huge one of it, which I gave away, and I regretted it the moment I gave it away, because I was doing up that little pot there, and I took it out of there. So anyway, that was not what I wanted to talk about. So this succulent here, see how it's tucked up in there, it's not getting too much of light. And I did cut one of it previously and planted in the front yard, and it's changed its colors and looks so pretty. So I wanted to show you, if you cut up your plants, oh, especially succulents, and you plant it in a different space where it gets a different amount of light, you will see a different color, and the color changes. So this part gets cut. Well, this is so untamed now and wild. I need to neaten up this area, but these calanchoes are blooming and the birds are coming for it, so I will leave it there until it's finished. So that plant, that's what I need to do now. I need to get it, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to plant it. I'm going to plant it in the front yard next to the other one that I planted there to show you the difference, and then we'll do a track to see how many days it takes for this to get its full color. So let's go. Look how green, and look at the marbling on these leaves. I mean, you can't see it now, but once it's in the sun, you'll see it's got these lines on the edges. It looks a little like the pachyphyton. So, from the backyard to front yard. Excuse all the noise out here. The road is out here. Anyway, this is the one that I was talking about. So, oh, the sun is gonna block it and you can't see it properly. Right. Look how orange it is. And then look at this one that I got. It's the same thing. Look how green it is at the back. So that's what I'm going to do. It doesn't need too much of soil. I'm just going to plant it next to it. And this whole area is going to be done up. I mean, the front yard. So it's a mess at the moment. But this is close to the entrance. So I'm going to just plant it in here next to it, and we'll check how long. There is some soil there. So I just bring some more soil. So that's okay. I'll just take out one leaf, stick it in there, and we can get a good comparison of this color change. So let's wait and see, and then we can do an update over the next couple of days to see how it changes color. But look how lovely this is, a peach. It's such a pretty peach, and you can see the lines on it now. This one's got lines too, but not as distinct. So that's it. Lots of experiments, and oh, look at the sun. Okay, I want to film this before the sun got to it so you get a good view, but it looks like it's on fire now. But there you go. That's another little experiment. Let's wait and see. Bye.